Today, we're going to build a consular cruiser using 18 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 by 2/3 brick with studs on both sides. And kind of this funky end is going to be in the back, and this front stud will be the front of our ship. So on that front stud, that side front stud, we're going to get a 1x1 round plate and just put it right there on that front stud. And then on that 1x1 round plate, we're going to get a 1x1 round brick and stick it on top of the plate. Now we've got the kind of the front of our cruiser. Now on top, we've got that back stud on top. I'm going to get a cheese wedge slope and put the cheese wedge slope on the top so it's sloping towards the back and up towards the center. And I still have that one stud in the front. What I'm going to do is get a 1x3 plate piece and put it so that the back of that plate piece goes on top of that stud and against the slope piece and goes over our top here. And now we're going to raise it up a little bit so it's smooth on top, and to do that we're going to get a 1x3 tile piece. We're going to put that 1x3 tile piece right on top of our 1x3 plate piece like this. Now on the side, we've got these side studs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get 4 of these cheese wedge slopes. I'm going to put them so that they slope from the outside or the front here, and the tall part goes in the center. So it's like this. I'm going to do the same thing on this stud, but this time that slope's going to kind of go towards the back of the ship and up towards the center, create a nice little like curved and smoother side. Now this is actually a Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar design. I'm done to both sides, and they've done the ship a couple times, but I really like this design, which is why I'm sharing with you and how to build it. This is one of my favorite kind of Republic cruisers that they've done. And so here we've got the front of our Republic cruiser. Now we've got this stud in the back, anti-stud in the back. Well, we need to stick a 1x1 brick on with a side stud. And what we're going to do is the top of that 1x1 brick is going to go into that anti-stud there, and then we're going to have the stud facing up. And the reason it's facing up is I'm going to get this 1x1 round plate with 1L bar and stick it into, put the bar into that hole so that the stud of the 1x1 plate is facing backwards. And so it's kind of like the rear antenna of our cruiser here. And now to create the back, we're actually going to put this down and grab a 1x3 plate. And on these side studs, the 1x3 plate, I'm going to get 2 more of these cheese wedge slopes. I'm going to put those cheese wedge slopes so that they're on the side stud and they are on the outside sloping up towards the center. I'm going to do that 2 times on both sides. So they're sloping from the outside and up, and then we've got that center stud still exposed. Now the reason we have that center stud exposed is because we're going to put that center stud into our 1x1 brick on our cruiser, and it fits in nicely like that. And now all we're missing are the engines, the 3 engines. To do that, we're going to get these 1x1 bricks and just put them in the back between the anti-studs here. So put those in there and they fit in neatly. And here we have a nice Republic cruiser to shuttle some Jedi to Naboo or any other Republic diplomats.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.